Samsung's Galaxy A12 smartphone has been launched in India. It features a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display and runs on the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset and 4GB RAM. On the back, there's a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and the front camera sensor is an 8-megapixel unit. Keeping the lights on is a 5000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging, and prices start at 12,999 for the 4GB RAM, 64GB storage model. The Galaxy A12 will be available to purchase from February 17th via leading online portals and offline stores in the country. Amazon India has announced that it will be launching its first manufacturing line in the country later this year. After being set up in Chennai, the unit will initially produce hundreds of thousands of Fire TV Stick streaming devices. Moreover, the firm has said that as part of the government's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives, it will invest $1 billion to digitize 10 million small and medium businesses in the country. Amazon has also promised to help Indian businesses sell globally, apart from creating 1 million jobs by 2025. According to an IDC report, India's smartphone market reported a decline in 2020 after years of growth. The report indicates a 1.7% year-on-year decline, with lockdowns and restrictive measures put in place to combat the COVID-19 outbreak being put to blame. However, despite the slowdown in annual growth, Chinese tech giant Xiaomi secured the most market share for Q4 2020 and the entire year as well. OnePlus co-founder Peis' latest venture, called Nothing, is reportedly teaming up with the now defunct smartphone brand Essential. Filings indicate that ownership of the Essential brand has been transferred to Peis' startup, with reports hinting that this is a part of his plan to release an ecosystem of interconnected devices. According to a report from WinFuture, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A52 smartphone will be priced at €349, while the 5G model will cost €429. The price leaks come ahead of the smartphone's launch, expected to be sometime in the end of March. While the non-5G device is expected to run on the Snapdragon 720G chip, the 5G variant is said to house the Snapdragon 750G SoC.